Today we discuss about the 12th zoology, infertility in human being. So infertility in human being. So what is the meaning of infertility? So infertility to the inability to conceive. So inability to conceive to produce the children even after unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. It means inability to conceive. Then inability to conceive means what is mean? The fertilization. So that they cannot produce the embryo. And also they produce even after unprotected sexual contacts. So this condition is called infertility. Then, so inability of man, they produce the insufficient sperm count. Insufficient sperm count. Or a quality of the sperm. Quality of the sperm is also they become the damage. Or quality of the sperms are sperm to impregnate women. Or inability of the woman to become pregnant. So this condition, so they occur in a male, but in a female, the woman, so inability of the woman to become pregnant. They become pregnant. So inability of the pregnant, what is the meaning? It means, so the uterus is become damaged. Or some other problems occur in the female reproductive organ, cannot produce the pregnancy. So this condition is called inability, they become pregnant. And also they have inability to maintain the pregnancy. So they maintain the pregnancy. So they cannot fix the uterine wall, right? The embryo cannot fix the uterine wall. The process is called implantation. If the implantation is become the failure, so they are having a maintain the pregnancy. So the main causes of infertility is tumor formation. So tumor formation is, so they are having a master gland. So master gland is called the pituitary gland or hypophysis. A tumor is formed in the pituitary gland or in the reproductive organ. Reproductive organ. So because the master gland, the pituitary gland, they produce in a gonadotropin hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, luteotropic hormone. So this become the failure. So they have an underdeveloped reproductive system. Then next they have an inherited mutation of the gene. Inherited mutation of gene. So the sum of the gene is become the mutation. So they have a pregnancy is become to failure. So they cannot be, due to the mutation, so they cannot produce the biosynthesis of the sex hormone. Cannot produce the biosynthesis of the sex hormone. And also the malformation of a cervical region. Malformation of the cervical. So the malfunctions of the cervical region means they causes the cervical cancer or abnormal growth of the cervical region. And also they have a fallopian tube, the abnormal growth of the fallopian tube. or the blockage of the fallopian tube. So the fertilization cannot be takes place, or inadequate nutrition before adulthood. So they have the improper diet. So the long-term stress, so the damage and before the adult, the damage the many aspect of the health, especially they have in a menstrual cycle. A long-term stress, so they affected the menstrual cycle. They affected the menstrual cycle. So injection of the toxin. So any toxic substance are injected in the human body. For example, heavy metal. Heavy metal is called in a cadmium. So injected the cadmium. So the failure of the pregnancy. And they have a heavy usage of alcohol. Heavy usage of the alcohol. Heavy usage of the alcohol. Also they affected the pregnancy. And the usage of the tobacco or some other drugs to prevent the fertilization or prevent the pregnancy. This also the aging. This also causes the infertility. Aging is also causes the infertility. So these are the causes of infertility. So what is the other causes of infertility? What is the other causes of infertility? So the first point, a pelvic inflammatory. So pelvic inflammatory. So the pelvic region is become the inflammation disease. So it is called that PID. A pelvic inflammatory disease is also the affected the fertility. And uterine fibrosis, uterine fibroids. So the any fiber material is a fiber. So the present inside the uterus cannot be implantation. And also they have endometriosis. Endometriosis are the most common of the infertility in women. So the main causes of the infertility in women is a pelvic inflammatory disease, PID, or uterine fibroids, then endometriosis. Endometriosis is most common causes of the infertility in women. Second point, low fat occur in the women. Low fat occur in the women. That is a psychiatric eating disorder. Psychiatric eating disorder is a characteristic by the fear about the gaining of weight. So these fears are automatically developed inside the human body. So they have the obesity. If take the large quantity of food means they form into obesity. So this fear also. So intake of food is disorder. It's also one of the causes of infertility, both the male as well as the female. Mainly they have in a woman. Second point. Third point, undescended testes. Third point, testes. So it means, so the normally the testes are present outside of the abdominal cavity. So the testes is become undescended mean. So they have occur in a large in size, or they occur in a long distance from the abdominal cavity. And also they have a swollen veins. So the vein is become enlarged. So it is called a varicocele. So the disease is called a varicocele. They occur in the scrotum. This is a male reproductive system. They have a scrotum. And also they have a tight clothing of man. So the testes are present outside the abdomen cavity because to reduce the temperature. It is used for the sperm production. Is wearing the tight dress, so they increase in the body temperature, scrotum temperature, so they reduce the sperm production. Underdeveloped ovary and testes. Underdeveloped ovary and testes. So next point, the female may develop the antibody against her partner's sperm. So the antibody to kill the sperm. So they have her partner's sperm. The male may develop an autoimmune response. So the male may develop an autoimmune response to their own sperm. So their own sperm, they are killed by the autoimmune system. These are the causes of infertility. Both the male as well as the female.